Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PLUME network token. Now the PLUME network token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting January 21st. And we're going to go over the information on the PLUME network token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage you can find at plumenetwork.xyz. Over there you can find ecosystem links, community section, technology. They have the developers section. They have resources, blog articles, career section, about Plume, all sorts of information all over the place here. So it says the public blockchain for RWAfi. Now that is short for real world assets finance. It says tokenize real world assets, distribute them globally, and make them useful for native crypto users. Plume raises $20 million Series A to build the future of RWA. So this is a huge project. And it says here that this token will be listed January 21st at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PLUME, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here is getting other central exchange listings as well. Gate is one of them, or gate.io. They're also being listed on KUCOIN, I believe, and I'm sure there's going to be many more. Oh, BITMART's another one of them. Probably all the big central exchanges you could think of, except for, I'm not sure, about Binance and Coinbase and that type of thing. But yeah, most of the big ones, this token is being listed on. And yeah, so if you want to find more info, go to docs.plumenetwork.xyz. You could also follow their socials. So Plume is a public blockchain optimized for the rapid adoption and demand-driven integration of real-world assets. We recognize that the core driver of the RWA revolution is tangible demand, particularly for yield-bearing assets that offer stability, transparency, and income generation. By leveraging decentralized finance, infrastructure, and our full-stack, vertically integrated technology, Plume brings RWAs into the digital economy, making them more accessible, liquid, and efficient. We enable issuers to tokenize assets like real estate, commodities, and revenue streams, transforming them into digital assets that can be easily traded, financed, or used as collateral. And this transformation meets the real needs of both retail and institutional investors. Our mission is to bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto by aligning with genuine market demand and providing tools for compliance, transparency, and interoperability. This ensures both regulatory alignment and ease of use. Ultimately, Plume aims to unlock new opportunities for global participation in asset ownership and investment, fostering a more inclusive and efficient and demand-driven financial ecosystem. So it has robust ecosystems of projects, vibrant developer community with over 180 apps and protocols in the ecosystem. Plume fosters innovation and collaboration, creating a thriving network of interconnected projects. Also, strong demand driven by community partnerships. Significant user engagement. Our recent testnet campaign attracted 3.75 million unique users and generated 265 million transactions within the first 8 weeks, demonstrating substantial interest and active participation. Also, strategic partnerships. Collaborations with key industry players amplify demands and expand our reach into various markets, enhancing our ability to meet user needs. Full stack technology, so vertically integrated platform. Plume's full stack technology ensures seamless interconnectivity between assets, applications, and users. This cohesive approach provides an efficient user experience, enabling rapid scaling and effective distribution across chains. Also, composability and RWA finance. So enhanced asset utility. We emphasize the composability of RWAs, allowing assets to interact seamlessly across different DeFi applications and protocols. This flexibility fosters innovation and enables the creation of complex yield-bearing financial instruments that meet diverse investor needs. Plume is continuously evolving to meet the needs of users and the ever-changing crypto landscape. With $4.5 billion in committed assets ready to be tokenized and distributed, we are poised to offer substantial yield-bearing opportunities. Our roadmap includes expanding the RWAfi ecosystem. We aim to grow beyond our existing network of projects, fostering innovation and interconnected services that enhance the utility and accessibility of RWAs. Exploring innovative partnerships by collaborating with neobanks, fintechs, and other financial institutions. We seek to facilitate efficient distribution and broaden our market reach. Also, building a sustainable future for blockchain-based finance. We are committed to creating a demand-driven, transparent, and inclusive financial ecosystem that aligns with both retail and institutional needs. Plume is not just a platform, it's a movement to bring real-world assets into the blockchain era with transparency, efficiency, and user-centered approach. By focusing on tangible demand, leveraging our full-stack technology, and emphasizing composability, we are leading the evolution of programmable, data-rich finance. Join us in shaping the future of finance, where real-world assets and blockchain technology converge to create a more accessible and innovative financial system for all. And you can find this token newly listed on MEXC Global on the 21st. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.